What is up everyone, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Vivo Y21 speaker problem or sound problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing speaker problem or sound problem in your Vivo Y21, simply first of all you just need to go to settings application. So first of all just tap on settings and then just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Also this will fix your problem.